how to match Square transactions in your QuickBooks. So doing this is about linking your Square deposits with the correct sales records so that your books will stay accurate. And then first, you gotta make sure your Square account is connected via bank feed or integration. So you could go ahead directly here to the accounting, choose integration and transactions. Over there, go ahead and scroll down until you see Square Connector. So automatically import Square transactions to reduce manual data entry. Just go ahead and press on connect pre-integration, and then you're just gonna go ahead and put in your details until the integration is finished. Once that's done, go back to your accounting and then go to your bank transactions, and here you can select the bank account where Square deposits go and then find a deposit. So with that in mind, you can click it and QuickBooks will try to auto-match it with existing sale entries. So make sure you do toggle the match option. So if it doesn't match automatically, you could click that and select the correct transactions like invoices or sales, depending on what you're doing, and then you can ensure that the total matches the Square payout. Then you can go ahead and confirm, or you could choose the other options, which is to split or add. It also depends on you, but that is technically the process on how you can do this. If you are working with manual entries or summaries, you can open the Square deposit and then click split to break it, or you can enter the gross sales and then add a line for Square fees. You could categorize it under bank charges or fees, and after that, match it with your record sales or manually add it if needed. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.